What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. So this property is a condominium that's listed with the realtor right now. As you can see, the property definitely has some things that need attention. Got a doorknob missing here and a lock. Carpet needs some attention. You got some stains, so you might want to replace the carpet. So anyways, this property is a short sale. My last video, I kind of explained to you what the short sale is. Basically, when a property is going to be sold for less than what the property is, what's owed on the property. So the bank does have to approve that, and they will approve it based off of some sort of hardship on the seller. Maybe the seller lost their job. Maybe the husband died and the wife doesn't really have any income coming in. She's a widow now. Any circumstance that would constitute for a person wanting to sell their home and for less than what the property is worth and what's owed to the bank. So if you're in a situation where you want to sell your property via short sale, definitely hire a consultant, a real estate professional that knows about short sales, because a lot of times what can happen is if you're a seller, that can actually hurt your credit. So if you want more information about short sales, or if you want to have a conversation, if you think you might want to go that route, definitely give us a call for a free consultation, 330-685-2220. Or you can just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.